Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is my Walgreens couponing haul for the week of January 12th to January 18th. So there's a lot of great deals going on at Walgreens, and I will be bringing you guys a second haul because I did end with some registered rewards that I wanted to use towards a second transaction. So in this haul, I did a total of 2 transactions, and in our app, we have a spend 35, get 20% off that I'll be using towards my second transaction. So basically, I'm ending the week with 23,421 points, and I wanted to convert some of those points into register rewards so I can use it towards my second transaction so I can lower my out-of-pocket. Now, when we get percent off coupons in our app, do not ignore those coupons because you can use them on sale items. Now, if we were to get a percent off coupon in the Catalina machine, remember guys, you cannot use that on sale items. You have to use it on regular priced items. So always take advantage of those percent off coupons and try to do a lot of deals in one transaction using the percent off coupon. So if you have points, try to convert them into register rewards. So for the first transaction, I took advantage of the Crest and Oral-B toothbrushes deal. So these are buy two, get a $4 register reward this week, and they're on sale for $2.99. So I picked up 2 of them for $5.98. I used the $1 off Crest toothpaste from our Walgreens app digital coupons, as well as the $1 off Oral-B from our Walgreens app digital coupons. So the total worked out to $3.98, but you're going to get back a $4 register reward. So it works out to be free after register rewards. So the total is going to be $3.98, of course, plus tax. And my tax was 42 cents, making the total $4.40. I used only 3,000 points to pay for this. If you guys have 4,000 points to pay for it, definitely use $4. Reason why I'm using 3,000 points is because I only have 23,421 points. And I knew for my second transaction, because I planned it out, I will be redeeming 20,000 points. So I wanted to keep my points at 20,000 after this transaction. So the total worked out to $1.40, but you're going to get back a $4 register reward. Okay, so that $4 register reward that I got back, I used it towards my second transaction, where I'll be using that spend 35, get 20% off. So in this transaction, I'm going to show you guys on the right side, basically the $35 we need to spend before coupons, because remember, when you have a threshold coupon like that, it has to be the amount before coupons and after Walgreens coupons. So in this case, we did use a Walgreens booklet coupon. So I'm going to show you guys how that actually works. And then I'm going to also show you guys how much the 20% off took of exactly each deal. So let's jump into the second transaction. So again, I have that spend 35, get 20% off, and that $4 register reward. And I'm ending with 20,441 points to use towards this transaction. So the first deal is going to be on the Tresemme Premium and the Micro Mist. So I picked up 4 of the Tresemme Premium and 2 of the Tresemme Micro Mist. So these are buy 3, get 5,000 points, and they're on sale for $4.99. So every 3 that you buy, you get back 5,000 points. In this case, I bought a total of 6 items. So I'm getting back 10,000 points. It's going to be 5,000 for each 3. So I picked up 4 of the premium for $19.96. And I picked up 2 of the Micro Mist for $9.98. The 20% off took off a total of $6. And I used 2 of the 4 off of 2 coupons for Tresemme Premium and our 1.5 RMN. And I used 2 of the $2 off one for the Micro Mist and our 1.5 RMN. So remember guys, those coupons from the Retail Me Not are only a limit of 2. That's why I picked up 4 of the premium shampoo and conditioners and 2 of the Micro Mist. So after all coupons, the total works out to $11.94, but you're going to get back 10,000 points because remember, for every 3, you get back 5,000 points. So it works out to $1.94 for all 6 of them, or 32 cents each. That's why I say with percent off coupons, make sure you add a good amount of items into your transaction because you're going to get 20% off of items that are even on sale. So counting towards the $35 before coupons and after Walgreens coupons for the Tresemme is going to be $29.94. Now the second item I picked up in this transaction is going to be on the Colgate 360 toothbrushes. Now for this deal, the Colgate toothpaste is included as well, but not the sensitive, because this is going to be a totally different deal. So this is giving back a $6 register reward, and this is giving back a $4 register reward. Now, if you wanted to pick up the toothpaste for the deal that's buy two, get a $4 register reward, you can pick up the toothpaste as well as the toothbrushes in one transaction, because you're only going to get back a $4 register reward. Because remember, guys, with register rewards, you cannot add a lot of amount inside of a transaction and expect to get a register reward for each of the deals that you're trying to do. So make sure you do them in separate transactions. So for instance, if you buy 2 of these Colgate toothbrushes and you want to buy 2 of the toothpastes that are on sale for $2.99, part of the same promotion, you'll have to do those in a separate transaction. Now, if you wanted to pick up 1 of the toothbrushes and 1 of the toothpaste, you definitely could in the same transaction and get back that $4 in register rewards. So Colgate 360 toothbrushes, buy 2, get a $4 register reward, and they're on sale this week for $2.99. So you're going to pick up 2 of them for $5.98. You're going to use the 20% off, taking off $1.20. You use 2 of the $1 off 1 coupons for the toothbrushes in our 1.5 Smart Source, making the total just $2.78. But you're going to get back a $4 register reward. So this works out to be free plus a $1.22 moneymaker. And $5.98 is counting towards the $35 before coupons and after Walgreens coupons. So the next deal is going to be on the Colgate Sensitive Toothpaste. So again, I picked up these 2 right here. So these are buy 2, get a $6 register reward, and they're on sale for $4.99. So again, you can buy these 2 and the toothbrushes and get back the register rewards for each of them, because they're 2 separate deals. So basically on sale for $4.99, you're going to pick up 2 of them for $9.98. The 20% off is going to take off $2, and you're going to use 2 of the $1 off toothpaste coupons from our 1.5 Smart Source. So the total works out to $5.98, but you're going to get back a $6 register reward. So it works out to be free after you get back the $6 in register rewards. And $9.98 is counting towards the $35 before coupons and after Walgreens coupons. So the next deal I did was on the Garnier products. So I picked up these 2 right here. So the Garnier this week is not part of any promotion, but I picked it up because we have $1 off coupon in our IBC booklet. So basically, when you get that coupon booklet, you have to scan it once and $1 will come off of both items. So I picked up those 2 products for $3.99 each, making them $7.98. Now you have to count the IBC booklet before you take off the 20%. And remember, guys, the $35 that we need to spend is before coupons and after Walgreens coupons. So basically the $2 from the IBC booklet is not going to count towards the $35. So with the 20% off after the $2 come off, it's going to be $5.98, and then you're going to do 20% off of $5.98. So it takes off $1.20, and then you're going to use a 3 off of 2 coupon from our 1.5 RMN, making the total $1.78 or 89 cents each, which is not a bad price for Garnier products. Now, the only $5.98 is going to count towards the $35 before coupons and after Walgreens coupons, because that IBC booklet coupon, that's the little booklet in front of the store, and you can find the Garnier on page 23. So you have to deduct the $2 from the original price of $7.98. So that's where you get $5.98. Okay, so the last deal I did in the second transaction is going to be on the Lysol toilet bowl cleaners. So I picked up these 2 right here. So these are on a great promotion for buy 1, get 1 free, and it's going to be all Lysol products. So I picked up 1 of them for $2.59, and I picked up another one for free. I used that 20% off, and it deducted 52 cents. I had a 50-cent off 1 coupon from our 1.5 Smart Source, making the total $1.57 or 78 cents each. and $2.59 is counting towards the $35 before coupons and after Walgreens coupons. So my total for the $35 before coupons and after Walgreens coupons is going to be $54.47. And this is including the $2 off from the IBC booklet coupon. So we already deducted that, so we don't have to deduct that again from our total. So the total before coupons and after Walgreens booklet coupons is going to be $54.47. So we were way over the $35 mark that we needed to spend before coupons. And that is good because that means that we're actually building up our transaction and taking advantage of the percent off coupon. So if you have a spend 20, get 10%, that is not a bad coupon. You can do a lot of deals using 10% off because 10% off is still something. So 20% off took off a total of $10.92 for all the deals, making the total $43.55. I had $19.50 in manufacturer's coupons. So I had 2 4 off of 2 coupons for the Tresemme, $2 off 1 for the Micro Mist, $2 off coupons for the Colgate, $2 off coupons for the Colgate 360 toothbrushes, 1 3 off of 2 for the Garnier Fructis, as well as the 50-cent for the Lysol. Now remember guys, Lysol is buy one, get one free at Walgreens as well as CVS as well. You cannot use a coupon on a free item, so you can only use one of those 50-cent off 1 coupons. So in manufacturer's coupons, we had $19.50, making the total now $24.05. I used that $4 and register reward. Now, I didn't call out for a filler item because I had enough product to cover that $4 in register rewards, which is considered a manufacturer's coupon. So I after the $4 off, the total works out to $20.05. I used 20,000 points to pay for this, making my total 5 cents out of pocket. But you're going to get back 10,000 points for the Tresemme because remember, guys, we did the deal twice. You get back a $4 register reward for the Colgate toothbrushes as well as a $6 register reward for the Colgate Sensitive toothpaste. So I got back a total of $20 in points and register rewards. So remember, I started with 23,421 points. I'm ending with 10,671 points. So I did take a loss of 12,750 points, but I gained a $6 register reward as well as a $4 register reward. So I spent a total of $1.45 for both transactions, but I got back $20.67 in points as well as register rewards. So it makes this trip free plus a $19.22 moneymaker. So after my transaction was done, I got back the 6 and the 4 that I'm going to use towards my second trip at Walgreens. And I also got a spend 20, get 5,000 points. So make sure you check out my second haul for Walgreens where I'll be using all 3 of those coupons. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this was helpful for you guys. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.